Tires are critical, yet often underappreciated for the important role they play in vehicle safety, handling, performance, and fuel mileage. Anytime you come in for service, we're going to pay attention to your tires. Our consultants check and report on tread depth, while our technicians will adjust tire pressure to manufacturer specifications. Technicians will also look carefully at how each tire is wearing and inspect them for unusual wear. We will report tire condition on the multi-point vehicle inspection form. A green mark indicates tires are wearing normally. A yellow mark means the tires are nearing the end of their useful life. And a red mark means that the tires should be replaced. When it's time to replace your tires, right here is where you should do it. We've been in the tire business for a long time, and we have a wide selection of name brand tires to choose from. Our tire program, combined with the unparalleled buying power of our manufacturer, plus our low price guarantee, means you will not find a better price on any tire anywhere, period. It's important to understand that tires are a part of a complex automotive system. Worn tires may need to be replaced, but the fact they are worn may be a symptom of other needs. This fact is another strong reason to let us perform the work. Our ASE certified technicians have the training and experience to pay attention to your entire vehicle to ensure your new tires will wear properly and perform to your expectations. So choose any tire: Goodyear, Michelin, Continental General, Bridgestone Firestone, Pirelli, Hankook, or Maxxis, and you'll get the best price on quality products installed by ASE technicians experienced in total car care.